The AI industry is thriving. Profits are increasing. Innovation is progressing rapidly. So, why are tech firms continuing to lay off employees? Pattern break. This situation isn't contradictory, it reflects the business model. Many believe layoffs signify companies are struggling. AI is replacing all jobs. The sector is in decline. However, the truth is, most layoffs occur even amid solid earnings. AI expansion does not equal job creation. The focus is on efficiency, not growth. AI doesn't eliminate entire companies immediately. Instead, it streamlines teams, automates internal processes, minimizes redundancy, focuses hiring on fewer elevated roles. What's the outcome? Identical production, fewer employees. Layoffs extend beyond AI alone. They involve mergers like Corvo-style consolidations, shareholder demands, increasing infrastructure expenses, restructuring teams to prioritize AI-based workflows. This represents optimization, not failure. Here's what most headlines overlook. Numerous companies are hiring while simultaneously laying off staff. The tech industry is transitioning from large teams, fast hiring, experimental positions, to smaller teams, role-focused tasks, workers augmented by AI. The job hasn't vanished. Expectations have shifted. This current wave feels unique because it's ongoing. It's global in scope. It's occurring during prosperous times. Genuine uncertainty is the real source of stress, not AI itself. Tech layoffs don't signify AI domination. They demonstrate that companies are reorganizing with AI in mind. The crucial inquiry isn't, will AI eliminate jobs? It's, who will adapt and who will be left behind? If you're seeking detailed, context-focused insights into AI's impact on work, consider subscribing. No exaggeration, just transparency.